nice day. Drone out. That's the one. I'm coming, baby. Drone, you're not just gonna be another pile of garbage. Not today. Well, I've made it here. Let's see if we can get there. Guide us, Google. What the fuck is that? Somewhere around here. Gotta be a little droney. Droney! Hey, droney! Owen. Oh. Droney! Got this bark. It's pretty cool bark. So according to Google Maps, I'm somewhere around here. I don't know. Maybe he blew away. Going on to a better place. We're gonna get you, droney. Don't worry.
You are the summer, we were the tide, the clearest of azure.
Nah, but seriously, I'll miss the drone. But like all things that happen, there's no control to when you might lose something or someone. So value it while you have it, and when you lose it, know that it's just making space for something new to come in. Times change. I'll be living here for a month at least, finally not needing to move around constantly. Maybe it's time to adjust my videos from travel, scenery, to whatever else I want to make. There's not a predetermined reason for everything, but there are reasons and lessons to be taken out of all things that come to pass.